All right, let's talk about classroom voice level. I know this is a little bit elementary, but it's good to review. So let's talk about it for just a second. Level 4 voice is an outside or an emergency. You guys know what level 4 is. It's what you used all summer long when you were playing outside. I'm positive. Level 3 is speaking to the class, or you can use level 3 when you give presentations. We call this the teacher voice, level 3 voice. Level 2. Level 2 is group work. That's simply talking to your neighbors or talking to people at your tabletop. Level 1 is quietly helping each other with the task at hand. That's elbow partner talk, elbow work. That's slightly above a whisper. And level 0, that's individual work, tests, quizzes, writing essays, etc. I will notify you when and where to use your level voices. Let me remind you, the level 4 is almost never used inside. We also have a 3-strike rule in the classroom. Get 3 strikes and no more group work, no more partners, no more review games. Sad day. I hold my scholars to high expectations, and I expect that you guys will work hard to exceed and excel in excellence.